Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing step 2 of our Zentangle project. So this is going to be drawing with pencil on your final paper. So to start out with, you're going to want to write your name and homeroom small in a corner. You want to write this small in case you have a lot of mistakes and you decide you want to start over on the back. So now I'm going to flip my paper over. I'm going to be doing a sea turtle example, but if you're doing the habitat or environment, you would turn your paper whatever way, or if you have an animal that needs to be this way, you can turn it that way too. So to start out with, I need to do my animal first. If you're doing the environment or habitat, you would need to sketch out all of those places first and then worry about your patterns. So to start out with, I'm going to start with my turtle body shape. Next, I'm going to add other features and details. Okay, so I'm done drawing my sea turtle. Next, I'm going to be thinking about where I want to put my 8 or more patterns. I could put them inside the turtle shell, or I could put them in the background. It's up to you which way you want to do it. Keep in mind you'll be painting everything, so if you put all the Zentangles in your animal, you can just paint the background however you want to paint it. You could also do both if you want. Just make sure that maybe your patterns are different sizes or aren't exactly the same, so you can tell where your animal is and where the background is. I'm going to leave my sea turtle pretty plain and just do my Zentangles in the background, but again, you could do it the opposite way. I'm going to actually divide this probably into 10 pieces, but you could do just 9 for your E level. So I'm just adding lines that are dividing up the background, and I want 5 on each side, so this is going to be the middle piece. So I divided it in half. This is the middle, since 5 is an odd number. So this way, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different sections. So if I put a pattern in each section, that's an easy way to keep track of how many patterns you've done. Keep in mind if you have more than that, that's perfectly fine. So now I'm going to fill in my background with all of my different patterns. All right, I'm all done adding my Zentangle patterns and details onto my sea turtle. So if you were doing an animal project, you could do all your patterns in the background like this one, or you could do patterns just on the animal and do a plain painted background. If you are doing a habitat landscape, then you would include your Zentangle patterns throughout your drawing, so they would be included in the background, middle ground, foreground of your landscape. So keep in mind I'm looking for details that you've added and that you have 9 or more patterns for an E. I also am looking to see if I can tell that you spent your time wisely during class adding in all of those extra patterns and details. If you have any questions, ask, have fun, and enjoy.